Welcome everybody. Today we're going to show you a 1964 Corvette Roadster. Number match motor, 4-speed trans, 336 posi, very nice restored condition throughout. We have 200 classic cars. Go to volocars.com to see them all, and each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel. For right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. This car shows very well. The body is real nice. I don't see any damage. I just went around the car. The panels are nice and straight, and I noticed the gaps line up very nicely. The headlights open and close properly, all clean and straight. See how nice it fits? And right in here, all these gaps all lines up real nice. Opens very easily. Shuts real nice, solid. All this is clean, no damage, all looking real nice. Repainted its original Ermine White color. There is a hairline crack in the paint across here, and that's where there's a bonding strip right across there. So just from flexing and twisting, it might have caused that. You don't even notice that. But here's a decent sized chip that's been touched up right next to the gas cap. But overall, just polished like white glass, all clean. Again, it lines up real nicely on this side. This door shuts just as well as the other side. Clean, no damage, all real nice. Here's a hairline crack right in the groove. I didn't even notice it the first time around. The cross flag emblems are new. The bumpers have been replaced at some point. They're real nice and shiny, but they're not brand new. The grille looks to be in real nice shape. The windshield has been replaced. It has a black convertible top that looks very fresh. There's pictures of that on our website. The emblems on the side were replaced. The stainless trim is nice and straight. It's good condition. The vent window frames are not pitted, but there are some freckles. Door handle looks nice, 7 out of 10. Upgraded with some 15-inch, they're called Eagle alloy modern wheels with some much fatter radial tires, that fatter than what would have been on there. These chrome latches are shiny. The gas cap door is real nice, has the correct antenna. Now back here, the bumpers look practically brand new. The tail lights were replaced. So everything is looking really sharp back here. The bow tie mirror is also in real nice shape. So why don't we open it up? I'll show you the interior and the engine. Well, there's no trunk to show you on the 64 Vet. 63 to 67 are referred to as the mid-year Vets. Absolutely stunning body style design. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon to be notified as the new videos are posted. Now, the weather strips look to be in good shape. The door jambs are very decent looking. The door panels and armrest and all the trim, that looks very nice. Full set of gauges in exceptionally good shape. I don't know if they've been restored or what, but they're excellent. 5,300 miles showing since the restoration, and all of these are working. The dash pads are both in real nice shape. Even the clock is working. There's no holes drilled, nothing cut up. This is all nice and stock. They did put a retro stereo. It fits right in the factory location. It has a grab handle on this side. New glove box door, and the liner's new. Interior lights work. Carpets front to back are new, and they're fitting real nice. They're not wrinkled. The right console in real nice shape with the right reverse lockout shifter. Now this is just a nice armrest with a cup holder just sitting on the original console. It lifts right out. They did replace the seat belts. They got some new seat belts. They've also restored the seats. Sound like a drum. Nice firm cushions, and this is actual leather, not vinyl. It's actual leather upholstery. And as I said, in back, it's all recarpeted real nice. There's the jack assembly. And all nice and clean. There's part of the convertible top that you can see. Under the lid is good. Visors are good. The mirror looks real nice. The correct steering wheel is excellent. There's not a crack in it. So very nice, clean, tidy interior. Love the leather seats. So this is the numbers, VIN number matching, original 327, 300 horsepower. We checked the codes, the dates, the casting. All stock manifolds, valve covers, stickers. Does have an upgraded Edelbrock carb with an electric choke. It has the ignition shielding. This is the upper, and then down here is the lower. I'm guessing the steering box, or the steering pump and all that stuff has been replaced. That looks very fresh. So it does have power steering. That's a nice feature. The clutch fan looks fresh. Has reproduction hoses and clamps. So the shroud, the radiator, the whole cooling system looks to be in real nice shape. Including the expansion tank, which is dated for this car. This is actually a really early car. It's number 322. This was made on the 5th day of production of the 64 Corvette. So we got more reproduction hoses. We have reproduction spring clamps on the battery cables. The alternator looks new. So just a nice, clean, tidy, proper engine compartment. And Michael's going to show you how it runs. We'll see in a few minutes.
All right, everybody, top is down. It's time to go for a cruise. What a nice place to be. Hot day, got the wind in our hair. We're gonna have a little fun. This Vet's got its original numbers matching 327 under the hood. A 4-speed manual car as well. And started right up with no problems. It also has power steering on it and a posi rear end. So all the makings of greatness in this one. Beautiful restoration, and our shop went through the car as they do every car that comes here in the museum. We spent about a $3,500 bill between service and detail. Big ticket item on this one is we put a complete new exhaust system on it. Let's say, not the exhaust manifold, so it wasn't full complete exhaust, but from the manifolds back. And sounds great. Let's see what she's got. Oh yeah, it's got that giddy up in second, I'll tell you that much. Man, we hit second gear, we just took off. 60 miles like that without an issue at all. Nice performer here. This car is gonna make somebody real happy. Looks like we got all working gauges here. Even the clock works as well. It's fantastic. Let's see how it goes down the road. Very nice alignment. Slightly, little bit to the right at the last second there, but very, very good overall. Great car. Definitely check out the pictures of the undercarriage. That is nice and clean. They did it up right during the restoration. Come on, test drive it for yourself as well. And definitely check out all the details at volocars.com.
Yeah, so I found that very interesting. The VIN number ends in 100322. So it's the 322nd Corvette built in 64. It was actually built in August of 63. Underneath the car is the same way. It's very clean, tidy, proper. There's components like the lower ball joints, springs, shocks. They look very fresh. So someone's been maintaining the car properly. The brakes are in good working condition. This was the second year they offered the independent suspension front and back. Now we put on an all-new reproduction exhaust system. So from the engine to the polished tips going out through the valance, that's new and it's all correct. The e-brake is hooked up as part of the brake system. That's all there, I noticed. You look up at the motor, it's really clean, fresh Chevy orange paint, correct starter, the correct canister type oil filter. It is the correct, more than likely the original Muncie 4-speed transmission for this car according to the codes. Also looks clean. In the back, it's the original 336 posi, has the right code, and it's also dated for this car. It's like August something of 63, so matches with the date of the car. The floors are nice, clean fiberglass. Most of them are still the raw fiberglass like they came. It has the spare tire carrier is still there. The frame has been painted black, looks smooth, looks clean. So overall, this is just a really nice, 7 or 8 out of 10 Corvette, but it's an honest car, functions real nice, drives real nice. So here's your opportunity to get into a mid-year Corvette. Beautiful classic car. Go to volocars.com. Salesman will help answer your questions, like how to get your 64 Corvette delivered home. And if you need financing, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.